Above or below ground, LPG tanks can be discreetly concealed to keep your beautiful views. For the natural touch, plant evergreen shrubs around. But tanks need their space. Keep at least a 1 meter gap for fire safety. Fancy a fence? There's the closed panel style, but don't suffocate it. Keep 2 sides open for ventilation and access. If you're a 3 sides kind of person, an open block or ranch fencing is best. But leave 1 open side for your delivery. Need a full wrap? Hit and miss fencing is best, keeping ventilation at 50%. But remember, access for maintenance and deliveries. Don't play Picasso. This affects your tank's protective coating. And no removing those emergency information stickers. Building near an above-ground tank? Ensure 3 meter distance. And keep that line of sight, people. Oh, don't build above our subterranean friends. For clear access and to prevent damage. Avoid any tank versus vehicle showdowns with bollards, boulders, or raised curbs. For more pearls of safety wisdom, head to our website for more details.